So I thought it might be interesting to have a look inside one of these laser puddle lights. They're not laser at all, by the way, they're just LED with a lens, but this is one of the ones that came out of my Audi, the broken one. So it's got a simple 2-prong plug at the end, which goes into your existing connector, and then this barrel system here is a lens, but what's interesting is that you can actually remove the there's a little drawer here, and out of this comes the little this is the actual, it's like a little bit of film which has the logo printed on it. You can just see the Audi logo there in the film. That slots into this slot on the side there, so you can change it without having to dismantle the whole thing. Anyway, it's much more interesting to dismantle the whole thing, so it just clips apart. Actually, this end's probably better. So just squeeze these 2 clips, and then it comes out, the top section comes off, and then the bottom section remains. And in here we have this is kind of like the barrel of which has the 2 lenses in it. It's got a lens at each end. Oh, it's like Big Clive, isn't it? Let's just see if we can take this apart and see how it works. So if I just shine my torch down here, oh, that's very interesting. Oh, that. Oh, look, there it is. There's the Audi logo. Sorry, I'll stop doing the accent now. So as you can see, this is how the image is projected onto the ground. The thing about this lens is that it allows it to project at different distances without it going out of focus too much, which is good. So that's the lens, and inside is as I say, the little piece of film which has the Audi logo printed or exposed onto it. I don't know whether it is actually a piece of film or I don't know what it is. Yeah, that's that bit. Then in here we have the circuit board. That's just a ring where it sits. This is the LED, I think it is. I don't think it's anything more than an LED. And it just shines through the lens and projects the image. Some circuitry here, I'm not quite sure what that is. It's quite a chunky inductor there, I'm not quite sure what that would be for. Somebody might be able to comment. Metal heatsink on the back, just to stop it getting too hot. There we go. Thanks for watching.